Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of essential oils and how they can help combat depression. You know, the stresses of daily life can really take a toll on our mental health. It's so easy to feel overwhelmed, anxious, and even depressed. But what if I told you that there are natural remedies out there that can help you regain control of your mood and enhance your overall well-being? We're going to explore the power of essential oils and how they can be incorporated into your daily routine to promote emotional balance. Let's get started. Lavender essential oil is practically synonymous with relaxation. It's that calming, floral scent that just makes you want to take a deep breath and unwind, and there's a good reason for that. Lavender oil has been used for centuries to alleviate stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Think about it. Have you ever used a lavender-scented bath product, or maybe lit a lavender candle before bed? Those calming effects you feel? That's the power of lavender working its magic. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil can actually change brainwave activity, promoting a state of relaxation and reducing feelings of anxiety. So, if you're feeling stressed or down, a little bit of lavender oil might be just what the doctor ordered. Bergamot essential oil is like a burst of sunshine in a bottle. This citrusy and slightly floral oil is known for its uplifting and mood-boosting properties. And when we talk about mood boosting, we're not just talking about a temporary pick-me-up. Bergamot oil has been shown to have a positive impact on brain chemistry, specifically by increasing levels of dopamine and serotonin, those feel-good neurotransmitters that play a crucial role in regulating our mood, sleep, and even appetite. So, if you're feeling bogged down by stress, anxiety, or low energy, bergamot oil can be your secret weapon to reclaim your sunshine. Think about that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you sip on a cup of chamomile tea before bed. That's the power of chamomile at work. Chamomile essential oil possesses similar calming and soothing properties, making it an excellent choice for managing anxiety and promoting better sleep. But it doesn't stop there. Chamomile oil has also been found to have antidepressant effects, helping to lift your mood and ease feelings of sadness. Ylang-ylang, with its exotic name and intoxicating floral scent, is an essential oil that embodies joy and sensuality. It's like a warm hug for your senses, instantly uplifting your mood and promoting a sense of well-being. But ylang-ylangs benefits go beyond its captivating aroma. This powerful oil has been shown to have a positive impact on our emotional state, helping to alleviate anxiety, combat negative thoughts, and even boost self-esteem. Frankincense essential oil has been treasured for centuries for its grounding and spiritually uplifting properties. Its warm, earthy aroma has a calming effect on the mind, helping to reduce stress, quiet racing thoughts, and promote a sense of inner peace. But what makes frankincense particularly effective for combating depression is its ability to balance emotions. It doesn't just mask the symptoms, it works on a deeper level to restore emotional harmony. Clary sage. Essential oil is like a breath of fresh air for your emotional well-being. It's known for its balancing and mood-boosting properties, helping to alleviate anxiety, reduce stress, and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. This remarkable oil has been found to have a positive impact on hormone regulation, specifically by balancing estrogen levels, which can play a significant role in mood swings and emotional well-being. We all know that lemons are packed with vitamin C, but did you know that lemon essential oil can also provide a boost to your mood? That's right. The bright, citrusy aroma of lemon oil is like an instant mood lifter, helping to reduce stress, combat fatigue, and promote a sense of alertness and focus. And jasmine essential oil, with its intoxicatingly sweet and floral aroma, is often associated with romance and sensuality. But beyond its captivating scent, jasmine oil possesses powerful, mood-boosting properties that can help uplift your spirits and promote a sense of joy and well-being. Sandalwood essential oil is like a grounding force for the mind and spirit. Its warm, woody aroma has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and enhance mental clarity. Rose essential oil is often associated with love, compassion, and emotional healing. Its sweet, floral aroma has a calming and uplifting effect on the mind, helping to reduce anxiety, relieve stress, and promote a sense of well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Essential oils can be powerful allies on your journey to emotional well-being, offering natural and effective ways to manage stress, alleviate anxiety, and boost your mood. See you next time.